Guys, this is crazy. Joe Biden just announced that he's stepping out of the US presidential race. He's not going to run for second tenure against Trump. And I think the reason he did that is because it's obvious that Trump has gotten a lead. Let's, Joe Biden said that um, even though he wants to run for the second tenure, but in the interest of his party, he has to step down. That's what he said in the one-page document that he released. And he said he's going to make a proper formal announcement on it in the coming hours. All right. Meanwhile, I personally think that this picture is why he's stepping down, because after the bullet missed Trump, Trump craftily, intelligently, smartly took advantage of that moment in history to strike this pose. This thing, you have to be born with it. To be shot with a bullet and to stick up your hand, your thumb in the air. It's crazy. I think this picture kind of glorified Trump instead of taking him out of the picture. And to me, that was the final thing that would have taken Trump out of the picture. And I think it's desperation. All right, in terms of on the part of the shooter, whoever is the shooter did not want Trump to get on and become the president again. And that would have even benefited any other person running with Trump. But at this point in time, I think everybody can see that Trump's ratings went up. So I think the party, the Democratic Party, is trying to salvage the situation. Investigation is going on to unravel how the shooting happened. But that shooting has blessed Trump so far. So the Democratic Party has to field a candidate that is strong enough to combat with the new fame that Trump has gained. And I think there are three main candidates. I'm going to suggest three. And when it happens, you'll remember that I predicted it first. Number one possible new replacement candidate is Hillary Clinton. I think she's going to end up as the replacement candidate. And I remember that she ran with Trump in the first election and Trump won. So if she comes in, I think Trump is going to be happy because Trump has demonstrated the ability to defeat her before. But then I think she's going to come with a much better strategy this time. Next one is a more difficult challenge for Trump. Michelle Obama. Her husband has ruled before, just like Hillary Clinton's husband, and she has demonstrated ability to fire at Trump. And then she has written a book, and she's very, very likable by many people. So I think she's going to be one of the candidates, either vice president or president. Kamala Harris, I think she will naturally try to go for the presidency. So let's see what's going to be in her political lineup after this. But it's interesting to look at what the party might field, and of course, they might show us a new face we're not used to. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure that you click this plus sign to follow me and click this share button to share so that you will always see my video on your FYP. This plus sign will show you when I bring you updates on what happened next.